Confused by EPDs? You're not alone. And if you've ever thought they're just for purebred breeders, you're leaving money on the table. This video will show you how to read them and use them to make smart selection decisions in your herd. If you want to make real genetic improvements, EPDs are one of the fastest and most reliable ways. You'll often see them in bull and semen catalogs. An EPD, or expected progeny difference, predicts what a bull will pass on to his calves based on his own records, relatives, calves, and sometimes DNA. It shows how his calves will compare, on average, to another bull's when both are bred to similar cows under similar conditions. Each EPD is measured in its own way. Calving ease direct is shown as a percentage of unassisted births, where a higher number means easier births. For example, a calving ease direct of +10 compared to a +4 means 6% more unassisted births on average. Birth weight is measured in pounds above or below the breed average. For example, calves from a bull with an EPD of +4 are expected to have a birth weight that is, on average, 2 pounds heavier than calves from a bull with an EPD of +2. Weaning weight is also in pounds, showing differences in average expected weight at weaning. Breed associations publish many EPDs, but catalogs usually only show a few. So now that you know what an EPD is, let's look at how to read them and what the numbers actually mean. Accuracy runs from 0 to 1. A higher number means more data and more confidence the EPD will stay the same. A lower number means less information and a greater chance it will change. For example, young bulls usually start with a low accuracy because they don't have many calves yet, but this improves as more data comes in. Carcass traits often stay lower because data is harder to collect. Percentile rank reflects a bull's standing within the breed for a trait, with lower percentiles representing more desirable genetics. A bull in the 30th percentile for weaning weight is expected to sire calves heavier, on average, than 70% of the breed. EPDs are typically specific to each breed and country, so you may not be able to compare them across breeds, but you can check with breed associations to know for sure. Always check the current breed average, which changes over time, and the average is not 0. They're posted on breed association websites and often in sale catalogs. Comparing the EPD to the breed average shows how far ahead that animal can progress your herd. As you can see, this bull is well above the breed average for weaning weight. Never select an animal based on one trait alone, as it can have unintended consequences. For example, selecting for only lower birth weight can result in calves that don't grow well. Balance is key. Start with identifying traits that you want to improve in your herd. Numbers don't replace a hands-on look. Walk the pens, check structure and disposition, ask about the breeder's management program, and confirm breeding soundness. At sales, stick to your list. Avoid impulse buys. If your top picks are gone, wait until the next sale. Let's look at an example. If your goal is heavier calves at weaning, here's how EPDs can help you sort through your options. Bull A has a strong weaning weight EPD, but his poor calving ease makes him too risky because more assisted births means more labor and lost calves. Bull B offers good calving ease but only average weaning weight. Bull C has the same calving ease as Bull B, but his calves are expected to wean 15 pounds heavier. That extra weight will add up over a calf crop, making Bull C the more balanced and profitable choice. EPDs aren't just numbers in a catalog. When you understand them, they're one of the most effective selection tools to make steady genetic progress in your herd.